As you stare into the vast black ocean above us, watching billions of stars flicker like distant islands of light, one question quietly rises in the human mind. Are we alone? For thousands of years, humanity has searched for an answer. Ancient philosophers looked toward the heavens and wondered if other worlds existed beyond our own. Dreamers imagined civilizations hidden among the stars. Scientists built machines capable of peering deeper into space than anyone thought possible. Yet despite all our progress, despite every mission and discovery, one truth remained frustratingly out of reach. We still had no evidence that life existed anywhere else. But now, for the first time in history, something extraordinary may be changing. A new chapter has begun in humanity's search for alien life. And its name is K218b. But this world is different. The James Webb Space Telescope. Built as humanity's greatest cosmic observatory, the James Webb Space Telescope was designed to see farther than any telescope before it. Unlike ordinary telescopes that observe visible light, JWST studies infrared light, allowing it to look through cosmic dust and detect ancient signals traveling across unimaginable distances. It is, in many ways, a time machine. Light reaching JWST has traveled for hundreds, sometimes thousands, even billions of years before arriving at its mirrors. Every observation allows us to look backward through time itself. And recently, JWST focused its attention toward K218b. What it discovered sent waves through the scientific community. Because hidden inside the atmosphere of this distant world was something astonishing. Water. Not oceans visible from space. Not rivers or clouds that could be photographed directly. Something far more subtle. Water vapor. A chemical fingerprint. A signal hidden inside starlight itself. To understand why this matters, we first need to understand what K218b actually is. And that turns out to be part of the mystery. K218b does not resemble Earth. It does not resemble Mars. It does not resemble Jupiter or Saturn either. Instead, it belongs to a strange category of worlds known as sub-Neptunes. Planets larger than Earth but smaller than Neptune. Odd in-between worlds. These planets do not exist anywhere inside our own solar system, which means scientists have no direct comparison. We cannot point toward a familiar world and say it behaves like that. K218b exists in largely unexplored territory. It is approximately 2.5 times Earth's size and several times more massive. Its atmosphere appears thick and rich in hydrogen. Its structure remains uncertain. Some researchers believe it may possess enormous oceans beneath layers of atmosphere. Others think it could contain exotic environments unlike anything we have imagined. And that uncertainty makes it fascinating. Because mysteries often hide surprises. K218b orbits a star known as K218, a red dwarf located within the constellation Leo. Now here is where things become interesting. The planet circles its star at only 0.18 astronomical units. That sounds incredibly close. For comparison, Earth sits approximately 1 astronomical unit from our Sun. Mercury, the closest planet to our Sun, orbits at around 0.39 astronomical units. So K218b should be unbearably hot. At least, that is what common sense suggests. But stars are not all alike. Red dwarfs are much smaller and cooler than our Sun. Although they can produce powerful radiation bursts, they emit far less energy overall. Because of this, K218b sits within what scientists call the habitable zone. The Goldilocks zone. Not too hot. Not too cold. Just the right distance where temperatures might allow liquid water under suitable conditions. And liquid water changes everything. Because everywhere we find water on Earth, we find life. Deep underground. Inside frozen glaciers. Near volcanic vents. In boiling acidic lakes. Life adapts. Life survives. And JWST detected more than water. It identified methane, carbon dioxide. And now researchers may have seen traces of that same molecule on a world over 100 light-years away. The implications are staggering. Because if DMS truly exists in K218b's atmosphere, then one possibility immediately emerges. Life. Not cities. Not alien civilizations. Not advanced beings building spaceships. Microbial life. Simple organisms. Tiny ecosystems hidden beneath alien skies. Even that possibility would rewrite human history forever. Because discovering life elsewhere would answer one of humanity's oldest questions. We are not unique. But before excitement races ahead, scientists urge caution. The DMS signal remains tentative. More observations are required. In 2021, astronomers proposed a remarkable idea. A new planetary category known as Hycean worlds. The name combines two words: hydrogen and ocean. According to this theory, Hycean planets could contain massive oceans hidden beneath hydrogen-rich atmospheres. Unlike Earth, these worlds might be larger, hotter, and stranger. Yet surprisingly, they could still support life. Imagine oceans stretching across entire planets beneath dense atmospheric blankets trapping warmth and pressure. Some models suggest these oceans could make up enormous portions of a world's total mass. Perhaps entire global seas extending deeper than anything on Earth. At first, this sounds impossible. But Earth once taught us an important lesson. Life does not require comfort. Life requires opportunity. Scientists have discovered extremophiles surviving in places once considered completely uninhabitable. Creatures thriving around volcanic hydrothermal vents where temperatures soar. Microbes living in acidic lakes. Organisms surviving crushing pressure beneath ocean floors. Life repeatedly refuses to obey expectations. Which means alien life may not resemble anything we imagine. And that changes the search entirely. Perhaps we spent decades looking for Earth 2.0 when reality was far stranger. Maybe life does not need Earth-like planets at all. Maybe it can thrive on worlds once ignored. And Hycean planets may represent exactly that possibility. K218b could be the first major clue. JWST discovered these atmospheric signals using transit spectroscopy, a technique both elegant and powerful. As K218b passes in front of its star, tiny amounts of starlight pass through the planet's atmosphere before reaching the telescope. Different molecules absorb different wavelengths of light like fingerprints. Invisible signatures hidden inside starlight. JWST examines those patterns and reconstructs atmospheric chemistry. In just a few hours of observation, humanity extracted clues from a world over 700 trillion miles away. Think about that. A machine floating in space detected chemical traces from a planet so distant that its light began traveling toward us before modern civilization existed. And this is only the beginning. Future observations will continue. More data will arrive. Scientists will refine models and challenge assumptions. Some discoveries may overturn current theories entirely. Perhaps DMS disappears under further study. Perhaps new molecules emerge. Perhaps K218b becomes the first confirmed living world beyond Earth. Or perhaps it opens doors toward countless others. Because one realization is becoming impossible to ignore. The universe appears far stranger than we once believed. And if planets like K218b are common, then worlds capable of supporting life may exist everywhere. Across our galaxy. Across billions of stars. Across distances so vast human minds struggle to comprehend them. For centuries, humanity asked whether we are alone. Maybe for the first time, the universe is beginning to whisper back. And perhaps somewhere beneath the clouds of K218b, beneath hydrogen skies and endless alien oceans, something is already alive. Waiting. Unknown. Hidden beneath distant stars. And waiting for us to finally know.